Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the essentials: an iPhone with Face ID and iOS 17 or later, steady lighting, and unobstructed eyes. Once done, open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Eye Tracking. Tap to enable the feature and allow any required camera permissions. This gives the system access to the true depth sensor. Now position your phone at chest height and lock your arm steady. Make sure you're about an arm's length away and that the camera has a clear view of your face. Once the feature is enabled, you'll run the calibration, follow the on-screen dots, and keep your head steady while looking where directed. After calibration, go back to eye tracking settings to tweak sensitivity and dwell time so taps feel natural. Lower dwell for faster selection, raise it to avoid accidental activation. Next, map eye controls to system gestures or specific apps. Assign a blink to select or a glance to scroll. Make these changes gradually. Testing between adjustments, you're ready to use eye tracking. Open an app, look to highlight items, then use the chosen eye gesture to select or scroll. Practice with messages and web pages to build muscle memory. Once satisfied, save your preferences and enable any app-specific permissions. If tracking falters, restart the app, toggle eye tracking off and on, then recalibrate. Many failures stem from glare or low light, so make sure lighting is even and remove reflective eyewear. If problems persist, contact Apple support for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.